Sammy's making a run for it. Good morning, good morning. If you do not see live on the bottom right corner or left corner, wherever the hell it is, then this is a recap. And we are live every day before market opens. Make sure you ring that bell, you're subscribed, and that like button is lit. Let's talk about what is going on today. Well, if anybody didn't catch it, that Chamber Energy news about that offering was bogus, okay? CEO confirmed it on Twitter. It was a bunch of bullshit. FAMI will pass CEI next week. Yeah, there's actually a couple good things that I actually found about FAMI. I have to look it up though. I'll make a video on it later. I mean, it actually has there's some pretty good information out there that you can find about it. I think it might actually do well. See, it's still going to sit around. Still going to sit around $4. I mean, if you bought into that offering fake news yesterday, Lonnie, then unfortunately, I feel bad for you. But yeah, I think a lot of people are going to pile back into it, especially after getting duped by that offering on CEI. That's why it's very important to verify your news. And before you say anything about any news, make sure it's legit. Morning, Pop. How are you doing, man? I hope you're having a wonderful day and ready for another trading day. But yeah, always verify your news and make sure it's legit. It happens a lot lately. He said family going to $1 today. Maybe. Hopefully, that'd be nice. Space. He said, right, huh, Pop? he wasn't ready for it yet. He's like, it could run a little higher. He's like, come back, everybody. Ah, that's fucking funny, Pop. This is CEI going to 1 cent in a month. FAMI, I mean, it's funny everybody's piling into FAMI because you know what FAMI is, right? You know where that company is? It's a Chinese-based company, so be careful with it. A lot of people didn't learn from the Baba, the Didi, and all the rest of the Evergrad shit going on, and then they're piling into FAMI. But yeah, FAMI is a China-based company, if anybody doesn't know that. Yeah, China stocks are getting clapped, so just be very careful with FAMI. I mean, it's not like it's a solid American company. It is a China-based company. Yeah, I have FAMI. I grabbed a bunch of shares yesterday. I think I grabbed like 3,300 shares. I grabbed them at like 28 cents, 26 cents, so it's running. But yeah, once I did a little research last night and I found out a China-based company, it kind of gave me a little sour taste in my mouth. I was like, fuck. I gotta trim this one down eventually. Very soon I'll be getting out of FAMI though. Probably by the end of this week I'll be completely out of FAMI. Well, I hope not, because if a lot of people are running over there, they need to actually think about why they're jumping into China stocks, especially with everything that's going on over there. I think I may be through less than 1% at FAMI. That's all FAMI's gonna get. Chamber Energy got fucking not even a 0.2% of my cash in there. Yeah, I had a very small amount in FAMI. I think I only had a total of 50 shares of Chamber Energy, which is nothing really. Nah, I think I'm sitting on like 30 shares of it. Did I sell them yesterday? Nope, I still got 30 shares of Chamber Energy. I thought I sold them. I didn't get filled yesterday, though. I think I put a limit order in. There we are. We're open. Whoops, missed the bell. Teddy bear, man. Get over here. Just sitting there barking a bit. What are you doing? sitting there barking like the rest of them fools. God damn it. I mean, nah. A lot of the short squeeze investors that I know, that I communicate with on Reddit, they're still highly convicted in fucking the Chamber Energy old little short squeeze. They're just considering this as a consolidation spot. Damn, BBBY is down. Fuck. BBBY is down a lot. AMC to the downside, a significant amount. FAMI. Alright, TLT's down to 0.23%. That's good. At least TLT finally calmed down a little bit. Boeing's coming back down to 224. AMC is free falling. At least the NASDAQ's holding up solid though. NASDAQ's up 0.63%. Squid Game. That shit's gonna kill it on Netflix. Family's up at fucking 47 cents. I got a viral. There goes. Family's making a run for the top. Good morning, Laura. Family about to hit 50 cents. Once it hits 49. There's 49.90 to 59 today. Ah, man, what the hell's going on with JP Morgan? Is JP Morgan going red? This looks like they are. I can't stand these other charts over here. Yeah, JP Morgan is going to go red. Chamber Energy's at 228. Which volume we looking at over here? FAMI has the most volume this morning. 206. So FAMI, Chamber, and Pal Talk are still number 3 with the most volume. Damn, Bed Bath & Beyond got clapped, dude. $15.99, dude. They lost 28%. Whoa, what happened to Bed Bath & Beyond? Yeah, JP Morgan is coming down to the downside. I need to grab some more JP Morgan. If JP Morgan comes down to 164, I'll grab more at 164. He said I'm buying more Quested Therapeutic with my family money. Selling at 59. I can't believe it's up fucking already 51% and still climbing. I'm selling while Omar buys. Right? Fucking Omar, dude. He bought in at Chamber Energy at 440, so I mean he's about to go positive on it, or about to break even, you know. Fucking Omar, man. You should just start going short in stocks, you know what I mean? Nah, that don't work either, because then when he goes short on a stock, it goes long. Damn it. He probably sold, right? He bought Annie, and then Annie came out with solid news like the next couple minutes. And then I was like, well, fuck, I don't know, bro. Yeah, that sucks for him, man. Hopefully not. I mean, Like I say, actually, but I still think Chamber Energy, because I mean, I read over the offering. I mean, anybody who can read knew it was red flag when they're offering more than the market cap. You know what I mean? It was like, wait a minute, how the fuck's that work? I was like, what? I was like, that sounds like a red flag, like a motherfucker. We'll hit 7 to 10, so he will be good with that. Yeah, he just like, you know, he just needs to hold on to it and relax. Yeah, it was massive, right? I was just like, that doesn't sound right, dude. I was like, I ain't the smartest motherfucker in the world, but how the hell are they gonna do an offering that's higher than the market cap? Oh wow, there you go. Chamber Energy's got a big ass cheek like candle. A lot of people were shorting this one at that 420, the 432 area. There's still a lot of people doubling down on the shorts on it. It's fucking wild. Yeah, motherfucking XPEV. Yeah, this 340 right? 375. XPEV. Yeah, Bed Bath & Beyond got clapped though, dude. Bed Bath & Beyond got a dump truck on them, bro. Somebody came in and straight dumped that shit. Damn, they were at 2340 and now they're down at 1554. Whoa. Bed Bath & Beyond got clipped. There we go, family. Come on, 51 cents, 51. It's about, come on. Keep pushing it. Let's put it on the bottom. I want to see if the level 2s are showing. The family chart looks just ridiculous, dude. Yeah, it was a massive offering. I mean, I seen the last offering they did. It was not nearly as big as that one. It made more sense, dude. I was like, what? A lot more on the ass side, though. Overstock is down 0.8. It's well overextended though on family. Like you can't even come in and be like, all right, this is. I mean, where it's at right now, the 49 cents. This has to have to keep up some solid support right here. It needs to stay right here. Looks like it wants to come back down though. Fucking bond. The Dow is about to go red. We're flip-flopping right now. Yeah, there goes the Dow. Dow just went south. FAMI sitting on 277 million volume, dude, in the first fucking 10 minutes. Not even 10 minutes, the first 8 minutes. Dude, that's crazy. Visa develops in operability concept for central bank digital currency. What the fuck does that even mean? Inoperability, what? Whatever. Pal Talk is still fucking doing well. I mean, I didn't even look into it, see what they did. They're just running it. Quest Therapeutic. Oh, wait. I'm still looking at it. Extended. Oh, wait. Did we open yet? There it goes. Okay, I was looking at the wrong spot. Ariana, FAMI will break $5 next week. Let's go, boys. Let's go, right? Oh, yeah, Ariana. I think FAMI's going to continue to run up until the next week. I know a lot of people are talking about it now. But I still don't think a lot of people, once people realize it's China-based, I don't know, though. They might get a little sketched out about it. But until then, once it is 60 cents, I think I'm going to take a little bit off. We'll see, though. We'll see. Oh, man. Finally, the long term's back up. Dude, that shit got clipped yesterday, man. But a lot of stuff has came down, though. Going to shroom rocket. He says going to shroom rocket. It's psychedelic. Oh man, yep, there it is. The Dow is about to hit red. Shit, it just lost 0.25%. 1/4% off the index. Dropping quick though. Yes, it is dropping very quickly. Whole lot, like, really, man. Let's see, where's Tesla at? Or where's Ford actually? Ford's down. Fucking Tesla's down. Amazon is down too, I think. Hell, Amazon's going. Whew, man, that was a big move on Amazon. Wow. Fuck. QQQ's going south too. Just went from 51 to 44. Yeah, real fast. I seen that. We're going to see a lot of push and pull in this one. I mean, it's only, especially being such a cheap stock. I mean, look, damn, the volume is through the roof, though, on it, bro. They're at 315 million now. Second level looks good. Yeah, it does look pretty good down there. I mean, unless we see velocity to the downside, I don't see us taking any breaks anytime soon. FAMI's right on VWAP. Aquestive Therapeutic, what was? I grabbed another 1,000 at 44. Nice. I mean, shit, yeah, fucking 46 cents. 44, 46 cents. This is dirt cheap right now. Fucking XPEV, dude. XPEV keeps doing this thing where it starts out phenomenal in the morning and then it sells off towards the end of the day. Which is good for me. I mean, I need XPEV to continue to sell off. It's fine if it wants to do this pop and then drop shit. Just keep fucking going to the downside, XPEV. I don't really care. NVIDIA and the chip makers. Hey, wait. Where's UNC at then? Oh, what did I drop? Oh my god, I dropped my pipe. Shit. Dropped my piece. Fucking XPEV, bro. Like, alright, keep running up a little bit. Whoa. Relax. You're gonna fucking take on my premium. Yo, Paltalk just gassed it, dude. Whoa. Paltalk just jumped up almost fucking 12 cents. I'm probably going to keep 1,000 long and see where it's going to, and then sell my 2,000 at 60. That sounds like a good strategy there, Pop. I mean, hell, if you bought in at like 27 cents or so, would you buy 27, 37 cents? I mean, 60 cents, you double your money, make some shares free, hold on to the rest, throw the rest of the money back in Aquestive Therapeutic. Well, not all of it, but a little bit into it, you know. What a day, baby. I hope everybody's having a blessed and wonderful, what is today? Thursday? It's Baby Friday, baby. It's a baby, or a Friday Junior. Day before Friday. Damn, this week went by fast, man. You realize it's gonna be fucking Friday already? We just said it was Friday a couple videos ago. What the fuck? Time's going by fast. Paltalk at 11.67. Chamber Energy at $4.07. It might just chill out at $4. Let's chill $4. If it's able just to relax here at the 394, anywhere between the 385 to where it's at right now, and just build up some more momentum, Chamber Energy might be able to push up again. If not, it's going to end up crumbling and coming back down. Just be prepared for the CEO to actually make a legitimate share offering. Just make sure that the offering is not larger than the market cap. Make sure it's legit. But yeah, I do anticipate Chamber Energy to come out and do some kind of share offering very, very soon, especially at the levels they're at. Quest Therapeutic is just $4.37. Hasn't really done a lot so far. Why the fuck is my pen still on for, dude? Oh, this one. That's why. Chicago readings came in at what? Hang on. What's the core CPE? Hang on. Where the fuck's the core CPE at? PMI missed. PMI was at 64.7. That's not good. PCE at 6%. Core PCEs at 6%. That's got to be wrong. They're saying inflation was more stubborn this time around. The last time we seen a 6% core CPE was back in the 80s, dude. The first wave of inflation was in the 70s, and you can see the... damn. Yo, we're back at levels from we haven't seen since the 70s or the 80s. There's been one historical generation where we've been in these levels. That was from the 70s to the 80s. AbbVie presents late-breaking data on, fuck, I'm not even going to murder that name, KYRIZI, and parasitic arthritis. Oh, shit. Pasoritic arthritis. I think they halted the Pal Talk to the upside. They did a volatility halt on them. Fucking XPEV. PCE stands for Personal Consumption Index. Or expenditures, I think it is. So businesses are paying for prices. What's up, Eric? How we doing, bro? Hope you're having a wonderful day, man. It's already Thursday, man. It's Friday tomorrow. This week went by quick, dude. AMC sucks ass. I know, dude. It's coming down hard. It got a footing at the 34.60. And I mean, I'm kind of anticipating AMC to come down a little bit more. I think we may come down to this range again. But the good thing is, I kind of want it to, so I can grab more options and go fucking and make some good money off the options on AMC. I even might buy some more shares, but I'm actually more interested in the calls on AMC. But I do want us a little bit more down because the calls are still too expensive. But yeah, AMC is sucking ass right now, though, Eric. I do agree with you. A lot of apes out there getting worried. But we're good. I mean, remember, it's the end of the year already. It's already Q4. This is the end of the quarter right here, baby. This is the last day of the quarter. It's a wrap. Yeah, the end of the month. September's already over. Next month's already October, man. Dude, say less. Last month we don't have no Fed Pow. We don't have no FOMC coming out. It should be actually a pretty volatile month in my eyes. I think we're gonna see a lot of push and pull this next month. Way more than we saw this month. But Quest Therapeutics at $4.38. And Chamber Energy is just chilling at $3.95. I think people are still haven't really caught wind on the fake news for the offering. But like I said, I do anticipate the CEO to come out and make a legitimate offering and very soon in the near future. But Fami's killing it though, and I'll be a little skeptical, a little on the defensive side with Fami because a lot of people don't know, but this is a China-based company. It's weird for them to be, because they're against psychedelics and shit over there. Oh man, the European oil crisis is accelerating, dude. Additional, the temperature independence supply data imbalance has loosened due to lower LNG export demand as Cove Point remains undergoing annual maintenance. Net inputs from Canada have risen to. Yeah. PCE up that much. Mavis. I haven't looked at Mavis in a long time. I actually forgot about Mavis. Where's Maggie? That's not Mavis. That's Macy's. Damn, Macy's? Whoa, 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 whoa. Macy's is that what the fuck? They went all the way up the... What the hell? That's crazy. Damn it, I forgot which one I was going to check right now. Oh, yeah. Mavis. I forgot who I was going to check. Yo, damn, Mavis came all the way back down to $11? What? Oh, man, Mavis got clapped all the way down, huh? It's actually a pretty solid level, though, where it's at. If it's able to stay here and get some support right here, the 1051 area, this is a key level of support for Mavis. I see. Yeah, it's gonna be very hard to bust a U-turn in this market right now. I mean, it's like trying to fucking bust a U-turn in the Titanic. You know what I mean? It ain't gonna work. It takes time. It takes time for shit to fucking move in this market. I'm selling CEI at 440. Damn it, Omar. How we doing, bro? Hope you're doing well, man. You're still in it? I think you might be able to get back up to 440. That news on that offering was bogus yesterday. The CEO came out and confirmed it on Twitter, but like I was telling everybody just a minute ago, I kind of anticipate on the CEO coming out and doing a legitimate offer because that's what Chamber Energy does. He said, please don't buy FAMI. I'm telling you, bro. Omar, go buy XPEV. I need it to go down. I need it to go south, bro. Go buy some XPEV. Fucking pop. He said, don't buy FAMI. That's fucking good. I hope you're doing well, Omar, man. I'm glad you're still in the game and you didn't give up, man. I was a little worried about you there for a moment, bro. All right, there we go. He said, I don't mess with China stocks. Yeah, a lot of people, I barely found that out this morning that China, or FAMI's based in China. I was like, oh, man, son of a bitch. I was like, I just sold my China company. I'm over here in on FAMI, man. But we'll see what happens, though. If FAMI could get up to 60 cents, maybe 70, I'll start selling and get my money back. I'm not going to carry any shares on this one. I'm not going to make it free. I think I'm just going to take my money and run. Other than FAMI, the only other China stock I'm in is XPEV, and I'm shorting XPEV to the downside. Good luck to you too, Omar, man. I hope you stay well and stay safe out there and catch you on the next one, bro. I'm glad you're still there. We were just talking about you, literally. In a good way. And just remember, Omar, today's the last day for September, bro. Fucking September's gone. Now we're ready for October lows. Now I hope we don't see nothing too wild for October. But I know last year it was pretty intense for in this month. Remember right here, this was fucking September. This was October. You know what I mean? So we'll see. I mean, it does it every September too. September, this is September right here. Well, it actually did it a little bit earlier before September. Did it July in 2019. But I mean, granted, these months are usually the low point. So I mean, don't let it discourage you. Remember, that's just what it does. These are the months that we're usually always down. There it is again. This is September. This is October. But I mean, remember looking into the past usually doesn't give you, it's not an indication on what's going to happen. But I mean, it kind of gives you a little bit of an idea of what everybody else is looking at. Fami's trying to make a run to the top side. Is it above VWAP? As long as it's, yes, it's getting above VWAP. There we go. Fami wants to gas it. Excuse me. Oh, man. Woo. I'm about to open the lungs up. Quest Therapeutic is back at open. We're flat right now. It didn't do shit. What's key statistics? Man, we got 16,000 fucking volume on a Quest Therapeutic in the first 30 minutes, bro. Are you serious? Are you fucking serious? That's sad, okay? Let's just fucking say what it is. It's sad, okay? It's actually pathetic, all right? Let's just say it. It's pathetic, okay? 16.16K is pathetic. Come on, Quest Therapeutic. I think this shit's gonna blow up by past $10 once everybody starts piling into it. You know that? I think once people start getting into a Quest Therapeutic, it's just gonna blow up. ABB hopes to ease EV charging worries with the new Terra 360. Who the fuck is ABB? They do fucking charging? ABB. Hang on. Who's ABB? I gotta look this one up. ABB. What do they do? Who are they? There's a holding company. The company segment includes electrification products, robots and motions, industrial automation, power grids, and corporations and other. Damn, bro, they got a lot going on. What the fuck? They work medium voltage switch gear, breakers, switches, and control products. The robotics and motion segment manufactures and sells motors, generations, variable speed drives, and robotics and robots and robotics. The industry automotive segment develops and sells controls and plant optimization systems and automation products and solutions. The power grid segment supplies power and automation product system and service. Wow, they got a lot going on over here. They listed back in 2001. How am I barely even catching on to this company? Yo, so one of the presidents and Robinhood sold out of AMC right before. That just hit the wire. I don't know what. Yo, bro, they came all the way down from 38. I don't know. This ABB company right here kind of has my attention. Especially where they're at right now. Okay, the SPY is coming back up, so it looks like we're reversing. But ABB looks soft. You know what? It's going on the watch list. Very low volume on that company. Oh my God, Chamber Energy just slipped hard, bro. 377. But let's see. Don't get scared. Don't get scared. Did I delete my lines over here? What the fuck? Oh, fuck you. Okay, there it is. Damn, I didn't even put nothing there for that one. It just blew by all my. That was the support, dude. Said I sold it 390. All right, everybody. Chamber Energy is about to gas it to the upside because Omar just sold his position. Give him a round of applause. I'm just playing, Omar. Yeah, Omar, I think you need to go see a fucking juju doctor, bro. Get yourself cleansed. Go get yourself cleansed, bro. I'm telling you, man. You need it. You need it, man. You've been coming in my room for the past, like, month and a half, bro. You just been getting clipped. I'm like, damn, Omar just has bad luck, bro. I was like, fuck. Every company my guy buys into, they go south immediately. Like, right after he buys in, it's like, fuck, poof. It crashes. Fuck, man. I hope that bad juju gets away from you soon, bro. Because you know what it does? You're going to kill it. You'll finally get a good, you know, a good run and see some pretty nice gains. Hopefully, man. I hope for you, bro. I pray for you, man. That sucks, man. I hate to see people going through fucking ruts like that where you just, everything you buy, it's like, bam, they got me. You buying into this band, they got me. You try to short this one, then it goes up, you know? I've been there myself. Seems like they're watching you. Mortgage rate surging. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Rate surging, topping 3% for the first time since June. EDR acquiring their way into sports betting. Yo, sports betting, dude, is gonna. There's so many people coming up with betting lately. Like, man, who bought OpenBet? EDR provides data to DraftKings. Oh, EDR provides that live streaming data. EDR supplies DraftKings, apparently. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me see. Yeah, just keep focusing on Quest Therapeutic, Omar. We'll be good. Buy a little bit every week. Then once everybody starts piling into it, maybe that'll be your cleanser. Quest Therapeutic may cleanse you. Just don't take your winnings from a Quest Therapeutic and go YOLO them right away, though, Omar, right? Not a recommendation. I mean, damn. AMC has just, you know, it's doing what it does, though. I mean, the charts don't lie on AMC. Man, I've been watching AMC for a very long time, dude. Let me tell you. No, wait. That just changed everything up. Damn, I could take this all the way back to where I bought it. Whoa. We'll see if AMZ's able to get some vertical. Wait, actually, before I say anything. Shit, that doesn't look good, bro, on AMC at all. I mean, it looks good, but I mean, it looks good for me to where I want to buy it. But I mean, fuck, it looks like it's going to come back to the 152 and test it. It's definitely going to come back to the 152. I mean, it was not able to hold up support at the 52. I mean, unless it's able to, what's the 100 at? The 100 should be right at the 100 day. Damn, it's actually below the 100 day. Next, yeah. So, like, if you're not an AMC and if you want to get an AMC, I mean, just keep an eye on those lower levels at the 29.78 area. Back to this area right here. Keep an eye on those areas. You can dollar average in on it and buy more. But remember, it's not a recommendation. But I do want to grab call options for AMC once it comes down because they're still too expensive right now. I want to make another play on IMCs like we did last time, man. That was a killer play I made with those call options. EDR's got a little bit of a pop on it. Family's just chilling right there. It's struggling to get above that 49 cents. You might be able to break through it. Might be able to break through it right now. It looks like it wants to try it. It definitely wants to try the top end up. Wait a minute. What happened to my other news? I'm only hearing one thing. Or I'm only hearing two news broadcasts. What the fuck? Oh, wait a minute. We have fucking Yellen and Fed Pal speaking today. This is the last time we're going to hear from them. Let me find them. please keep your camera on, she said. Damn, Aquestive Therapeutics down 1.36%, ladies and gentlemen. Intel jobs, initial job claims at 362 versus 335 estimate. And it looks like it's just going to get a little bit worse. All right, yeah, I'm waiting for the speakers to start speaking here pretty soon. I want to hear what they got to say, what kind of BS. Yeah, Fed Chair Powell and Checker Secretary Yellen testify on COVID pandemic response. Let's see.
Is entitled,
I'll wait for them to start actually speaking before we run it.
Oversight of the trade.
They did pretty good on the last one. I mean, even though they kind of they called Fed Powell a dangerous man. I think he's doing a phenomenal job what he's doing. But yeah, they definitely ain't happy with Fed Powell, man. I mean, he makes, fuck. All right, so let's look at Ford. Where's Ford? Ford's down again. Oh, that's right, UMC. That's what I wanted to see. Where's UMC at? Did they gap up again? Come on, UMC. You're fucking $11.46. That's not $12. I think actually UMC is about to get passed up this $12.62. Probably coming in the next week will be a good week for UMC. I like UMC because it pays a dividend. And I mean, it doesn't really do a whole lot. I mean, it's a very slow mover, but it's a solid company. Whoa, bro. Holy shit. Yo, Apple just slipped. NASDAQ's trying to hold it up, but everybody else has slipped up right now. There they go. There they go. But just keep in mind, yesterday they were up quite a bit, though. Damn, Family's got 452 million volume, dude, in the first fucking 40 or 37 minutes. Wow. What's up with this Metix Holdings? This is another little cheap one right here, 39 cents. Yeah, this one's gone. Wow, this one was at 29 cents. Average 3-month volume. Okay, let's see. What do they do? Formerly Meta Education. It's an education group. English language teaching provider. It's a China company, bro. Look at all these fucking China companies popping, bro. This leads. Yeah, I know it's gonna get nasty over there. Just be careful what's coming on, man. It's just gonna escalate as soon as the 30-day we get closer to the 30-day extension. Yeah, I can see what's gonna happen here. We have all this action happening, all these little stocks that don't ever move. What do you think's going on over there? They're doing something with it. Only time shit moves is when people do stuff with it. It doesn't just move on its own. We got people in there buying or selling, most likely selling.
Republicans continue to operate recklessly, even now.
Especially if it's a China company. I mean, they're remember, they're gonna start rotating out of other companies to cover other bullshit.
Blocking legislation to suspend the debt ceiling is completely unacceptable. Republicans don't hold our nation's economy hostage, especially
tomorrow's October. Everybody give yourself a round of applause. Round of applause, baby. The year's almost over.
Is attributed to Trump's tax
new month, and then 2 more months after that, it's a new year. Man, and then this year's behind. Oh, there we go. Chamber Energy, $4.22.
If Republicans force the country to default,
let's get up a little bit more. I'll sell the rest of my 30 shares right now.
Ongoing work to respond to the pandemic today. I now recognize the ranking member of the committee, the gentleman from
Yo, wait a minute. How many shares do I still got? I think I bought some over on this other account too. Oh shit, I do. I got some on this fucking account too. Family's at 51 cents. Man, Family's trying to make a run for it.
Now, the only problem is that this hearing should have occurred in actually the second quarter.
Sensonic. Oh wow, I got Sensonic contracts. Ah
But,
shit.
but then again,
I got
that
AT&T
just
contracts
updates
expiring tomorrow, and it's
depth-
not gonna be at $30. I know that much.
the,
Right now, I can tell you that.
competence and dysfunction of a Democrat-run
Fuck.
Washington.
I should have got more time on those ones. Yeah, look, it's still at 27-27. You suck, AT&T.
So let's just review briefly.
That fucking contract's gonna expire worthless.
Assistance program, which Republicans have highlighted.
Sensonic.
There's no solution in sight. The
I
so-called
got contracts
Biden
on
agenda appears to
Sensonic,
be
and it's
effective.
actually up. I'm up
All the
about
rocks.
50% on those
And
contracts.
Democrats are no closer to raising the debt ceiling ahead of the October 18th deadline than they were in August.
Yeah, I
when
grabbed
it expired.
Sensonic back after that
But what
bullshit,
do
that
all
news that
of
came
these
out when they got
problems
clipped.
have in common?
After this news right
They're
here.
foreseeable. They are known things, not just to Democrats, but to the world. And now markets are taking.
On,
notice.
Chamber.
Allies
Keep
or
moving it up to the
adversaries
upside.
are watching
I need you to
closely
get back up to all-day
see
highs,
what
and then maybe we can trim
in
some
the
of you
midst
back.
this chaos, but in the midst of this chaos, we at least have.
I mean, I'm in that Chamber Energy at $1.62, so I mean that's the only reason why I'm still fucking with it. I'm not chasing it. Remember that. I do not chase shit. Remember, I got sciatic in the right leg. I can't chase nothing.
The credibility of your institution is deeply connected with each one of you right now. Chairman Powell, your decisive action helped prevent the worst of the economic
Damn right it
impacts
did.
of COVID.
He did a wonderful
You were
job.
thoughtful, deliberate, and
Couple things he did I was a little against him on, but I mean, you know,
dangerous.
the Fed chairman, they gotta make the most difficult decisions, and they cannot be wrong. They need to be right.
And anyone who would say that, well,
It needs to be
they-
completely unbiased too.
Frankly, I appreciate their courage to speak their truth. Chairman Powell, our country will be better.
I think if they don't try to appoint Fed Powell
Secretary
for
Yellen,
chair again, if they don't at least give him the opportunity, I don't think the market's gonna like it. I think the market's gonna
and
fucking flip
as your
out.
term as chair of the Fed made you a natural pick for the Treasury Department.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
glad you're in your seat. So that's why I'm sorry you're in such a bad situation given this administration's strategy.
Right?
Bad strategy and worse fiscal plan from a Democrat.
Chamber Energy, $4.16. Aquesta Therapeutic just slipped to $4.34. That is an all new day low right there.
Because of overspending.
Yo,
will
Apple's
not
slipping.
be able to pay its bills in a little more than 2 weeks. So what's the plan?
Yo,
Well, I've heard the
Fammy,
Democrats say there's
whoa.
a plan to spend more money. $2 trillion in March, more than $5 trillion now.
Look at that
$5
candle.
trillion
It's
was
just
a
really.
compromise.
Let me look at how he sucked it
Bernie
up though.
Sanders and the Progressives wanted a $6
Look at how he wick it.
$6 trillion reconciliation package. And President Biden proposed a $6 trillion budget in June.
There goes Apple's coming down
Democrats
more.
don't agree on that either. So here we are. To be clear, the Biden administration's Treasury Department can't even keep track of the $46 billion of rental assistance. So how are the American people?
Damn, that motherfucker got his ass. He said they can't even keep track of the rental assistance.
Frankly, it's a heist.
It's a heist.
Democrat-run Washington tax and spend policies will only increase prices more.
It's more like a hostile takeover. Have anybody been part of a hostile takeover in stock? Yeah, that's what it feels like. It feels like when someone comes in and does a hostile takeover of an asset.
Several weeks, you've called on Congress to address the debt limit. I couldn't agree more. Yesterday, the House passed a debt ceiling bill that is doomed in the Senate.
Yep.
There's political
It ain't
theater.
gonna make
We
it.
know it. We know it, and the American people, in fact, know it. It's theater designed to distract Americans from the fact
What's the market
that
looking like?
Democrats
Oh, man.
have no idea how to govern.
Dude, Fammy, 500 million volume, my guy,
They knew it.
in less
the day
than
that
fucking
President Biden
45
signed
minutes.
the The Democrats have been in charge of our country for nearly
Wow.
and they did nothing to prepare for this moment.
They didn't do
Except
dick.
spend more money and bring the date forward by which we have
Little
to address the debt
cockmonglers.
ceiling.
Telling you.
And I want to be clear: the U.S. government is run and controlled by Democrats. It is
Damn right
defined
it
by
is.
dysfunction, incompetence,
what
and
we
fiscal
got?
irresponsibility.
Oh shit, incompetence, huh?
Late in the game, asking Republicans to get
ALZN,
out more agenda
ALZN. What's ALZN?
so you can pass more spending is frankly absurd. This is no way to run the country. I yield back.
I'll give it back.
Thank you, Ranking Member McConnell.
Wow. They just got halted to the upside, dude. What is up with this
Thank you,
ALZN?
Madam Chair.
What the
Chair, we
fuck
must
was
raise
that?
the debt
Dude, they
ceiling.
just gassed it up
Raising the
50
debt ceiling
cents.
does not authorize new spending. Raising the debt ceiling allows the United States to pay its existing debts.
Oh, they're still talking about that. They already fucking extended it, though. They did extend the fucking...
Basis 78 times since
So the government shut down what happened. Yo, dude, that's wild.
In the treasuries also know that will save us from default if this body fails to act responsibly and swiftly.
What is this? Let me guess. Another China-based company. Let's see. Nah, it's a biopharmaceutical company. Company Forest Development Products. Where the fuck are they located at? They're in Tampa, Florida. Company's pipeline consists of 2 therapeutic drugs candidates. So they might have had, let's see, anything with, what's the news on? This is 3 minutes ago. Nerve receives pre-INA. Oh, they did get some cell-based therapeutical vaccine that seeks to restore the ability of patients' I can't even say that. Can't system to oh shit, another Alzheimer company. What? I mean, it says it in the name, right? I should have just said the name. Yo, bro, I think they might have got their trial approval on this one right here. This ALZN, dude, they got halted to the upside, but they literally gassed it 50 cents. They got volatility halted. All right, that might have been is that volume halt? That might be a volume halt. No, never mind. That's only 246. Not a volume halt.
Your written statements will be made part of the record. You will have 5 minutes.
This one should continue to run as soon as it opens.
You should be able to see a timer on the screen in front of you that will indicate how much time you have left in your testimony. Secretary Yellen, you are now recognized.
Did she just tell him?
To present your testimony.
She's like, don't don't use your time. Don't overuse your time.
Members of the committee, it's a pleasure to testify today. We're in the midst of a fragile
Mr. Powell, J. Powell, Mr. Danger. Oh man.
Continues to expand and recapture a substantial share of the jobs lost during 2020.
Oh, my back.
Significant challenges for
Tesla gone. Oh, is Tesla running again? I hope Tesla still continues to run it.
And present substantial barriers.
Oh, I like Tesla a lot.
Still,
Oh yeah, Tesla 788.
Medium-term trajectory of our economy.
Tesla's a monster.
We will return to full employment next year. A rebound like this was never a foregone conclusion. In fact, the American
made motherfuckers rich off of Tesla.
Wealthy nations. One key factor for
Come on, family, wake up. They're still fucking just chilling. It was not able to break. I mean, actually, we did break up above there, but we weren't able to hold. We need to hold this level.
Passage of the CARES Act, the Consolidated Appropriations
Consolidation?
Act, and the American Rescue Plan. Treasury, as you know, is tasked with administering a large portion of the relief dollars in those bills. And when we last
Family's, I mean, it's going up though. I mean, it is making lower highs though.
To help individual families, state governments, and organizations of every
higher lows.
Between. While we still have much more work to do, we have made significant progress, and I wanted to give you an update.
Come on, Chambers. Can Chambers stay above the fucking VWAP? Unfortunately, Aquestive Therapeutics slipped under the VWAP, and that usually is not fucking very great.
Nearly 60 million children across the country. To date,
oh, damn it, excuse me. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Thursday. Don't forget, today is the last day of September, and we start a new month tomorrow. So I'm anticipating a pretty nice run tomorrow. We should see a nice continuation.
With children dropped 24%. As for state, local, tribal, and territorial
509 million on FAMI. That's crazy. Dude, that is a crazy amount of volume.
In the health and economic emergencies, we knew that communities would need funding to hire educators to bring kids back to school, for example, or frontline workers to administer the vaccine. The American Rescue Plan included $350 billion to that end, and those dollars are indeed helping the machinery of local governments get up and running.
Sorry about that.
States and localities can rely on
you got surgery coming up.
instead of resorting to painful budget cuts. Democrats.
She's like, damn it.
Congress rightly designed the state and local program with flexibility in mind.
My poor baby.
Many of us knew the
It'll
recovery
cut you
would
open.
run up against some unforeseen challenges. And
The market just kind of chilled out right now.
able to devote resources where and when they saw fit. I want to note that this flexibility is paying off now.
Bro, who else out there thinks that Janet Yellen sounds like Whitey from fucking Adam Sandler's 8 Crazy Nights? Huh? Come on, bro. She sounds just like him.
Offering $100 to each person who gets their first vaccine dose. For the relief dollars not yet out the door, Treasury is doing
Only 100?
everything it can
Wow.
to expedite their delivery. The Emergency Rental Assistance Program is one example.
VIX is starting to creep up a little bit. If anybody doesn't know what the VIX is, it's a volatility index. It is starting to climb up ever since this chick started talking.
Offers to renters and landlords. Building that infrastructure has been a massive undertaking.
$100 per first vaccine. That's crazy, huh? They said we'll give you $100 for every vaccine you get for your first one. Holy shit, look at, there it goes, baby. It opened up and it gapped up, bro. This one right here, I mean, they have solid news out here. There's no bullshit news. They did get approved for their Alzheimer medicine. So ALZN is gassing it. Keep your eyes on it. Might be a good play to play. Holy shit, they got options too.
Speed up distribution of rental assistance funds.
Say less.
My remarks there, except to say this: it is imperative that Congress address the debt limit. If not, our current estimate is that Treasury will likely
Come on, baby.
exhaust its extraordinary measures by October 18th. At that point, we expect Treasury would be left
Go ahead.
with very little
Yes, it sounds good.
resources.
Sell fucking some of it. I gotta buy some of this ALZN
America
calls.
would default for the first time in history.
ALZN, baby.
And our
LAALZN.
country would likely face a financial crisis.
They have solid news out for their fucking Alzheimer medicine. Yes, we'll grab some November ones.
By this and prior Congresses.
So November.
including those
Holy
made to
shit, they're
address
gassing it up, bro.
the
Fuck.
impact of the pandemic. It's necessary to avert a catastrophic event for our
Bam!
economy.
I got filled on 100 of them.
Representatives, the debt ceiling has been raised or suspended 78 times since 1960, almost always on a bipartisan basis.
I got plenty of time on these calls on this one. I got the $5 calls.
And to build a stronger American economy for future
I threw $100 at it, and I grabbed each one for 22 cents, and they are currently them motherfuckers gassed it already, dude.
Present your
Look at, they're already at 55 cents, bro. Whoa. If this one could get you down, bro, that one's gonna get it.
Since we last met, the economy has continued to strengthen. Real GDP rose at a robust pace.
I need more.
in the first
Come on, I need more.
year.
Not a recommendation, please.
Continue at a strong pace.
ALZN, grab some more of these ones. Fuck, man, they're already way too much now. Jesus Christ, I just paid $22 for these ones, and now they're already went up to $75, bro.
Spending rose at an especially
Too late for family? Nah, but you're not too late for ALZN. They just got their approval for an Alzheimer drug. I just bought these calls right here for $24, I think it was, and they gassed it up to 75, bro. It's killing it. But FAMI, I mean, be careful with FAMI. It's a China-based company, bro. This is actually not a China-based company. They actually have solid news. Pharmaceutical company.
over the past 3 months.
Not a recommendation.
In August, however,
But yeah, I mean, FAMI, you know, it's where it's at. It's pretty good as long as it's able to stay in this range right here.
most sensitive to the pandemic.
He said, I'm staying. Well, yeah, don't jump out of it. That's why it's important to have
This figure understates
extra cash on the sides when shit like this happens with companies like this. But yeah, they did have, fuck did it go?
from the low rates that
I just had it up on the news too.
factors relating to the pandemic appear to be weighing on
Yeah, but they have their Alzheimer medicine came out for them.
progress on containing the virus.
They got approval for it. That's why it gapped up, it got halted, and then it opened, and then gapped up to the top side.
Those least able to shoulder the burden have been the hardest hit. In Despite progress, joblessness continues to fall.
Oh, I don't want to buy no more calls. I just want to buy straight up stock.
Service sector and on African Americans.
Let's do 81.
Inflation is elevated and will likely remain so.
Grab 81 shares. 81 shares of this ALZN at 290, 292, no, 296.
Particularly due to supply bottlenecks in some sectors. These effects have been larger and longer lasting than anticipated.
No, I got time on these calls though. I didn't grab them fucking no weeklies though. I want to give it time for everybody to digest what's going on with it.
The process of reopening the economy is unprecedented. As it continues,
there was another company that's gassing. It's a pretty cheap company too. This Meta Mex holding one right here. Damn, they're already at 40 cents. Whoa.
If sustained higher inflation were to become a serious concern, we would certainly respond and use our tools to ensure levels that are consistent with our.
There's this one's gassing it too, but I think this one was a China-based company too. If I'm not mistaken, correct? Yeah, this is a China-based company too. So I mean, be very careful with those China companies. Don't forget about Evergrande.
Continued progress on vaccination.
Evergrande, whatever the fuck it is. Who's MKD? We got a lot of these ones that are popping. These little small ones. Look at China. Look at, I'm telling you, Chris and everybody else, that something's brewing over there for all these little small China. This is not a China stock right here, okay, ladies and gentlemen. This one here is based in Florida. All right. But we have all these little China, little dirt cheap ones that are just popping up. Look at that. Damn, even Evergrande's up there, right? FAMI's got 530 million volume though, bro. That's wild. But yeah, they are. It's China based.
These programs have served as a backstop to keep
edible mushrooms. I mean. But, you know, FAMI looks like it wants to treat this 100-day. This is the 100? Yeah, it's the 100-day. No, actually, 72-day moving average has some support right there, which puts it right there at that 46. So if you're not in it yet, Chris, I mean, remember, not financial advice, but if I wanted to buy any more into FAMI, I would definitely be grabbing this spot right here. It might dip down a little bit to this area, but, I mean, this is a solid level of support for it. Not only is the moving average going to be act as support, but we have support right here. So yeah, Chris, just grab FAMI. I'm gonna hope it runs like CEI. That's what everybody's saying. Like it's like potentially gonna be the next CEI. You know, it'll probably come down a little bit below it and then make a run to the top side. Maybe we'll see though. FAMI's a little bit wild right now. It might come back. I mean, because this is basically open where it's at right now. Man, I hope you're doing Chris, man. Good luck with your play, bro. Good luck with your play. Unfortunately, our bait Quest Therapeutic is just chilling.
Thank you very much,
but we're still hella early. Wait till October gets here. We'll get a little bit closer. You realize once October comes, we're just that much closer to November, when a lot more people will start getting more news for Quest Therapeutic.
7.7 billion in emergency rental assistance.
1 point what? Damn. I still know landlords that haven't got a dime from that shit. Are you serious?
Has increased over the past several months. I think we're all concerned that the pace of delivery of this critical assistance is not happening quickly enough.
No, sir.
Can you talk about the challenges you have faced after taking oversight of ERA?
There we go, 47 cents. See where it wants to run. Oh man, she came down pretty hard, man. Oh, fuck. It came down to the 42 one.
And what impact have you seen?
Well below VWAP. What are you doing?
Thank you for that question.
Holy shit, it just fell to.
Critically important program that Treasury has been very focused on expediting the delivery of these rental assistance funds to those who need it. As I mentioned,
yo, she sounds like Whitey, dude, from fucking Adam Sandler's 8 Crazy Nights. Yo, why did it change my fucking 100-day movie? Oh, well, fuck.
Before. And that's been a very difficult and slow process. Treasury has done everything possible.
Back at open on FAMI, but it looks like FAMI wants to make a run to the top side now. And then the order. What are we looking like over here on the order?
tried to give
Level
states
2s,
and
level 2s.
localities
It's still the ass side is
flexibility to
juiced up on the
administer
ass side
the
though.
program
I
in
mean, we have
ways that
huge
are
walls on the ass side. We got
appropriate
this
for different communities
20,000 right
to
here, 25,000
reduce
here.
the paperwork
So we got pretty big walls up right now.
also making sure that we
But we got this big ass one right on 77 at 45.
and
Dude.
working to provide more technical assistance, and I do think we're seeing a payoff.
That's
as
a
I
big wall.
mentioned, we've had 1.4 million renters helped by this assistance, and the pace at which it's flowing out is increasing.
There we
Also,
go. ALZN is making a run for the top side.
requires
3D printed village, Ken Homes built in less than 24 hours with a huge 3D. But they're still using fucking concrete for those fucking homes. Concrete is a huge ass gross polluter. You know how much fucking CO2s and harmful gases those fucking plants put out? They put out a shitload. Concrete's nasty.
Well, thank you very much, and I want to thank you and your team for working with me on.
Well, the way they do it is, I mean,
the Expediting Assistance
Chamber Energy's
to
slipping.
Renters and Landlords Act, which would make it easier.
Careful with Chamber Energy though. Remember, they do this shit all the time.
For assistance and provide
If you're not in at a solid price, don't fucking chase Chamber Energy.
out the door. Are there particular provisions that you think?
If you didn't buy Chamber Energy back, you know, when it was down at this shit right here, there's no point in buying it now.
You've given us quite a bit of information.
Fuck the bullshit. Don't fuck around with the fuck around, because you get fucked around with, okay?
Well, Chairwoman Waters, we're very supportive.
Stay the
of
course,
your
keep grabbing
efforts
Quest Therapeutic,
to
because you
try
know what? The
to,
company's red today.
put
You want to grab shit when it's red,
changes
right?
that would
Yes.
expedite
On
the
sale,
delivery
not when it's
and
fucking
effectiveness,
over,
of this
oversold.
program. And we look
I mean,
forward
overbought,
to
not
continuing
oversold.
to work with you. I think we've offered substantial technical assistance and absolutely want to.
Damn, ALZN. Let's see what the options looking like. Dude, what? Wait. It came down a little bit. It was a. Hang on.
Thank you very much. The
Damn,
gentleman
I should have
from
grabbed the $2.50 ones.
Mr. McHenry, who is the ranking member of the.
I mean, I'm up like 40 bucks on these ones right now.
Well, thank you.
That was actually a pretty good one right there. I'm at 45 now. Let's go.
Chairman Powell,
Get back up to get $4, $3.50. Wait.
to not comment on fiscal policy. But fiscal policy.
You know, I think this company's gonna kick ass. Like, cause what I'm understanding is like it's all they do is fucking Alzheimer.
Yes, it's
Like
a-
I thought Casavana,
policy, and then once it's-
Saba was nice.
put that into our models.
Okay, but your public models are a statement about current law.
Now I remember hearing about this one back when I was doing a lot of research on Saba.
When we don't really publish a forecast as the Federal Reserve. Individual participants publish their forecasts in the summary of economic projections, but that would include their personal.
How much is the
assessment of
average?
likely fiscal-
Average volume in 3 months is 207, bro. This one is gone.
You know, Secretary Yellen.
Wait till everybody starts
I
catching
said
up on this shit right here once they get the
my
news.
statement, and I'll say
Right
this
away, I didn't
to
catch it.
both
It's
of
right
you
here.
again. I am grateful as an American that you both are in the seats that you're in right now. Because we're in
FDA
a
agrees to
special
all
circumstance
whatever the
where
hell plan to conduct and combine phase 1 and 2 clinical trial for AL002, ALZN, and earlier clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on developing non-products for the treatment
is
of
substance right now
disease
very
and
important to us as an American.
disease today announced that
So,
as a response to
Secretary
its
Yellen,
meeting
you
request
said
relating
in
to the
July
Type
the
B
debt limit was
pre-investigation new
reinstated.
drug,
CBO,
food extraction,
said
fuck, we
Treasury would
appreciate it.
probably
So,
allow
yep, to combat
sometime in the
Alzheimer.
first quarter of
I
next
knew I read it
year.
right. Cell-based
Fiscal
therapeutic
year,
vaccine that
most
seeks
likely
to
in
restore the
October or
ability of
November.
patients to
Secretary
move.
Yellen, you've been
I think that's great.
Treasury's authority to take extraordinary
I like it.
measures to prevent
How do I close this window
full-time
again? I
in
forgot.
August. Is that correct?
Yes, the debt limit, the suspension.
Yo, bro, it just ran up to 350. What was I doing? Oh, that's right. I was reading something. Fuck. What?
But those extraordinary measures are just a Band-Aid for a period of time, right?
Basically.
Well, as I indicated, we expect them to be exhausted on October 18th.
And it would be a disaster if we did not.
It would be a
Raise the debt limit.
catastrophe if Congress failed to raise the debt ceiling.
So here's the deal for Republicans. Democrats control the House and the Senate and the White House. And since January 20th, the approach
FAMI.
of this Congress is that they do not.
46.59 on FAMI. Chamber Energy's just struggling at that $3 or $4 range. I think it might just chill out at $3-4 range, and then once whoever investors that got spooked off of that bullshit fucking offering.
That's really the request. So
I mean, they can't help it. They'll come back. They'll be like, "Oh, what do you mean? It's not. It's a fake news. Run back to it. Go back and buy it quick." Excuse me.
Or do you just care if it's raised?
But yes, ALZN, ladies and gentlemen, is making another run for all-day highs over here at $3.42. They did get an approval for the Alzheimer drug. I did grab some calls on this company. There we go. All-day highs on them. 324.
Budget deficits for most of the post-war period.
FAMI, look, as long as FAMI can chill out right here and do some sideways action until we're able to get back up to the 152. Because I don't want to see it give it up and then come back to the 152. Because if we give up where we're at, that means we're going to go back into this gap range, and then we'll end up just giving it back up. We don't want her to give it up. Not at one, all of it right away, you know what I mean?
I understand, Secretary.
That's something that Republicans and Democrats
Cut her off.
need to share that
Cut her off.
responsibility.
He said, I understand.
As I said,
He fucking cut her ass off. He said, shut the fuck up, man.
Every fiscal consequence of Congress. And
Oh,
some of them
shit.
are very bad, but I've tried to make things better. I've been a part of the solution for the last decade.
Damn, this company was at 52-week total lows.
Was the first
It
outreach
just
I
got
had
from
this
fucking the
administration
bottom of the barrel
to do
right here on
something
this
about
ALZN one.
And you called me to raise the debt ceiling. Not with a plan, not for a fiscal
Get her.
plan, not for my buy-in, but simply for my
She
vote.
just said all in.
And that
She's
to
like,
me
I'm all in, baby,
speaks
run it.
Volume. Now, I'm grateful for the outreach from you. but
Jam
it's
energy,
still
just chill
a
right here, bro.
issue for
Just
the
chill,
administration.
relax.
And I don't envy the position you're in. I don't. Because the bad strategy from this White House and the leadership of this House and the Senate.
Damn, they just keep blaming the House, bro. They're like, the House did it. They suck. We know it's not your fault, but the House.
In the midst of COVID, bipartisan bills, major bipartisan bills, we can work together.
He said, we can work together. He's like, I can fucks with you. He said, I can fucks with you. You can fucks with me. There we go, ALZN. Making another run. Is it going to make another all-day high?
We have the tools, we have the votes to get this thing done.
Where's my options at? I grabbed these ones right here for anybody that missed it. I paid I paid like $20, $22 for each one of them. Damn, they were trading at $5 when I first seen them, but I couldn't bring up the chart quick enough to do the trade, and they gassed it up right away. I should have been waiting for it when it opened, because it opened and it gapped up. Gapped up from fucking $2.70. It gapped up from this little 50-cent jump, and then it did another $1 something jump.
So I'm willing to participate in a bipartisan way. It's just a question of who votes for it in the circumstances of $7 trillion
You
of new
tell
spending
her.
this year.
The gentleman from New York, Mr. Meeks, who is also the chair of the House Committee on Foreign
Damn, bro, that dude was in there giving it to her.
Thank you, Madam Chair. And
He was like, yeah, fucking Janet Yellen. Damn. Fammy.
She wasn't asked for a vote.
We're ready to break out right here, baby.
Going to determine whether or not America.
We're right under VWAP, but holding it tight.
Will suffer if we don't raise this debt ceiling.
It was like RSI wants to come back down and hit the lower range, and then we'll be able to run up.
Or Republican administration.
Let's go, ALZN.
When it came to the credit of the United States.
I'm gonna have to make a video about ALZN later tonight about that fucking Alzheimer. Man, I mean, I don't know anybody with Alzheimer. Well, actually, no, wait, I take it back. I think my great grandma had Alzheimer, but she still remembered me. I mean, shit, hey, so I was cool with it. But she still remembered who I was. So I was like, well, I really didn't. It didn't affect me like everybody else, but you know, I think that's great drugs for Alzheimer's. For anybody out there who has family members with Alzheimer's, I mean.
It's about doing the right thing for the American.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do a little research on this ALZN company and see what they got. It's just, I mean, they got approved for their next clinical trial. You know how that goes. Those are always good news.
And not to say, oh, nobody called me.
The fact that we gapped up and we just continue to go up, that's beautiful.
Now, Madam
Secretary.
There are consequences.
Oh shit, they back up to $70, baby. Let's
I
go.
mean, like the increase
Damn,
for a
killing
home
it.
or a car, or through one's credit cards,
Killing it.
of which folks will say,
ALZM, baby,
on
to the
other
moon.
side, I don't have to do
Legitimate.
this.
I mean, I think they're gonna blow it up. It feels like it might be the next. Cause Saba was at the same price, and then once they got their fucking Alzheimer's drug approval, they were gone. You couldn't stop them.
What setbacks?
Tesla's coming back down to the low.
on
Whoa.
debt caused
Chamber Energy's at
American
$4, just chilling,
Democrat,
just chillaxing at $4.
Republican, independent, non-voters, what cost
What cost?
would it cost?
XPEV, let's go, baby.
I think
Come back
it
down to
would
the
be
low side.
Catastrophic for the economy and for individual families. Nearly 50 million seniors.
Damn it, Quest of
will
Therapeutic
stop
is down.
Receiving Social Security payments or see them delayed.
I don't even want my Social Security.
Troops
You
would
just
not know when they would
burn
get
it.
their next paycheck. We have
making my own Social Security right here.
families
God damn it.
rely on the monthly
Fucking.
child tax credit, and they would not receive that relief, at least on time. And as we saw in 2011, when the debt ceiling was raised at the absolute last minute, and investor and consumer confidence was shaken in the run-up, we saw a marked increase in interest rates, a marked drop in the stock market, and when you
In the stock market. Hey, bro, she sounds like Whitey, man. I can't get. This is the voice for fucking Adam Sandler's 8 Crazy Nights, dude. That's fucking the dude, the little guy. The little guy with the one foot that's bigger than the other foot.
Card payment, anyone who borrows would see higher interest costs of their debt.
We must raise the debt ceiling for the benefit of the American people. I don't care what party they're from.
Hey, so I don't give a fuck what party you're from. Get her.
Power. Now, the Fed is
Now, Fed Pal, I'm on to you now.
Inflation,
Damn.
while boosting employment,
I like this guy.
guiding our economy back
Come
to-
on, Chamber Energy, baby. Let's shake off that fucking news, that bullshit news from yesterday, and run it.
Tension between these two policy
Everybody says you're gonna go to 1 cent.
prices by raising interest rates would weaken our
Now, honestly, I don't think I've ever been part of a company that went to 1 cent. Has anybody else out there been part of one? I mean,
How will you manage the
I don't think, you know,
trade-offs,
if you
between
stay, I mean,
controlling
fuck.
prices and ensuring full
I don't think
employment?
I've ever stayed in
How
a
do
company
you
for that
resolve
long,
the
but
tension between the two that you spoke on Wednesday?
That's the very difficult situation we find ourselves in. Almost all of the time, inflation is low when unemployment is high. So interest rates work on both problems now. So right now we're far away from, we think, away from full employment. So that gives us an incentive to keep accommodative policy strong, to keep accommodative policy in place.
let's go ALZM,
Inflation is
baby.
well above target, and you know, we have an expectation that
Now that the news is out, we'll see how everybody takes that one on ALZN. Fammy is doing solid, man. We're still, how much volume we got over here?
what we say is
Wow, 609. Nice.
Our expectation is that inflation will come down, and we won't ultimately face that difficult trade-off of having the two goals in tension.
Damn, AMC's down 4% today, ladies and gentlemen.
Mrs. Wagner is now recognized for 5 minutes.
I wonder what the
Hi,
apes are
yes,
saying
thank you,
over
Madam
here.
Chair.
What is it,
Secretary
manipulation?
Young?
It's manipulation, I swear to God. I'm telling you, bro. I know what manipulation smells like, and I know what it looks like.
Ranking member has
Wait, what?
formally requested your presence.
Yeah,
at least
okay.
twice within the
I
last
sleep with
few
that
months
bitch.
With no response. Last
Manipulation.
week, Treasury released the latest data on its emergency rental assistance programs. As you know, $46 billion
Come on, baby, let's
was made
see.
available to
Go to
supposedly
subscriptions.
help
I don't think I'm
COVID
subscribed to any of those
impacted
AMC
low-income
fucking guys that
families
talk
pay
about it.
off their back rent and to help make mom and pop property owners whole in Missouri's 2nd Congressional District and
ALCN.
beyond. After more than 9 months and an entire summer of Republicans pushing
Hey, you
Treasury,
fuck.
your own
AMC.
data still
Yo,
shows
bro, why is it still
more
not
than
putting it up?
83% of your funds remain unspent.
Damn. How much?
While
83% of the
millions
funds?
residential
Wow.
and property owners remain
That's a
stuck in
lot.
limbo. It certainly doesn't sound, ma'am, like it has been a, in your words, expedited.
That's
program.
crazy, dude. That's a lot of money.
I have a series of yes and no questions. Because my time is limited, I would
Let's see what the apes are
appreciate
saying about
you insist
AMC.
upon
I want to listen to
a
it.
simple yes or no, ma'am.
I gotta hear it.
First, Madam Secretary, do you consider Treasury's emergency rental assistance program to be a success? Yes or no?
Market's gonna boom in October. I think so. I think
Are
maybe
you
November.
aware That in December of 2020,
Boom, like to the
when
downside.
Congress appropriated the first
I think we're gonna see a
$25
pretty
billion
interesting
rental
October.
assistance program.
I mean, just
Funds
by
were
looking
to
at the
be
SPY,
used
I think the
by
SPY
December
is telling you a
of
story.
2021. Yes or no?
Yes.
I think we'll probably come back up on the SPY to 452, and then we'll come back down and test this lower range at 432 before the end of October, beginning of November, and then we'll be able to take off.
To renters and landlords ASAP. Madam Secretary,
I mean,
are you aware that Justice
I think we'll come back up and test the 445, the 454 range.
Emergency rental assistance program.
And then, like I said, we'll probably come back down again in October, because remember, October lows is a thing.
2025.
But this was last November or September and October. This is the beginning of November or September. This is the beginning, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? You feel me? It usually does that every October, November. This was the November in 2019. This is October. It usually repeats itself. This was October. This was November. It is usually downward trend because remember, it's the end of the fiscal year. A lot of people are repositioning themselves. A lot of people are trimming positions. A lot of people are doing it for tax reasons. Even myself, I'm doing it for tax reasons. I have to prepare myself for tax season. It's not because they don't like the stocks. It's just this is the last quarter's coming up. We have to, prepare ourselves.
There was plenty of time.
Damn, tell her there was plenty of time, bitch.
Our Fed programs.
I love it. Look at it. She's getting her.
Got money to people who needed them. This is a complete and abject failure.
I'm sorry,
Secretary
this
Yellen,
was...
I want to read a quote to you.
Oh, look at her. She's getting her ass. But I think November is going to be the great month for the stock market. I think we're going to run it up come November. I'm a little worried. I'm not going to say worried about October, but I mean, I'm happy for October because I'm going to be able to buy stocks that I've been watching at a low. But I am anticipating a lot of volatility this coming up month.
As soon as possible.
Especially because it's the beginning of the month, the beginning of Q4.
Related eviction crisis.
Man, this lady's straight leaning into Janet Yellen, man. Hell yeah. Get that bitch.
83% of it is still sitting.
83%. That's a lot of money still sitting there.
Because my constituents in St. Louis and I do not find it meaningless when we are talking about emergency assistance meant to keep individuals and families in their homes today during a pandemic.
Damn, AMC's getting clobbered, huh?
And years later out to 2025. Moving on, Chairman Powell, with spiking energy prices and bottlenecks in supply chains around the world, there are concerns that there
34. Everybody wants to say 34 is gonna hold up on AMC. Is that what they're betting on? Fuck. I'm betting on 20, 30. I'm really betting on 30 on AMC. I mean, you can see them 152 moving average, man. I use the 152 moving average like fuck yeah. That's my go-to girl right there. That's the one I depend on. I depend on the 152 moving average. We're gonna test the 152 moving average. Now, what could happen is AMC could probably do some sideways action until the 152 moves up. But I don't see it. I see it coming down to the lower $30 range.
I would say that this is a function of supply side bottlenecks over which we have no control. But I would say that we do.
A lot of these fools don't know what the fuck they're talking about over there.
Year to see some relief, depending on the bottleneck in question, and inflation should move down over the course of.
Not a time to be spending trillions and trillions of dollars. I yield back.
The gentlewoman from New York, Ms. Velasquez, was also the chair of...
Damn, ALZN is doing solid. But yeah, I'm anticipating, like I said, November to be the month. November, December are usually pretty good months. And then coming into January is going to be phenomenal. So have yourself ready. Just make sure you get a little bit of armor on. Have a little bit of a hedge to protect yourself. Or insurance. Get some insurance. My insurance is XPEV. I'm shorting China stocks. Not all of them, because unfortunately I'm in motherfucking FAMI, and I didn't realize FAMI is a fucking China stock. But I'm trying to get out of FAMI very, very soon. By the time it gets back up to the 53 range, maybe up to the 55 range, I'm gonna trim back on FAMI.
No, we can't hear you.
Yeah, we can't hear you. Speak up,
Can
motherfucker.
you try it again, please?
I can't hear her.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Can you hear me now? She said, can you hear me now?
Thank you, Chairwoman. Secretary Yellen, I would like to pick up with what Chair Waters was asking on Iraq. Can you please explain the type of resistance the Treasury Department has to face from some state and local governments? How is the Treasury Department trying to expedite this funding to tenants and landlords who need it the most despite this challenge?
Well, in cases where states and local grantees launch their programs late, they face an array of complications. The most significant involve obtaining the necessary authorizations from a grantee's governing body, and there are procurement challenges that arise.
Damn, that sucks to sit there and keep watching the stock when it goes down.
Partners and contractors.
Man.
We've received a lot of feedback indicating that the guidance the Treasury has released really does give state and local programs the tools they need to move forward expeditiously. And I'd also note that we've been partnering with
So they're just trying to get new rules with the AMC plays. Maybe these rules won't be what you guys want, though. Fuck. Man, Florida man captures alligator in a trash bin. This dude's wild, bro. What are you doing? Get away from there. Yeah, fucking crocodile alone, bro. Alligator. Dude. Yeah, there's a gator there. He said, nah, I got this motherfucker. Get out of my house. Dude, that dude got his ass. He put him in the trash can. Damn, that was nice. That's crazy, dude. All right, what do we got? Tesla at 782. Chamber Energy's making a run. It's up at $4. XPEV need to come down a little bit more to the low side, baby. I want you all the way down. FAMI, solid at 46 cents. But I'm looking to get out of FAMI as soon as possible. He pushed it and ran. He came and took his trash can. That dude's crazy. He caught an alligator in a trash can. That's crazy. All right, Chamber Energy holding up solid at the $4 range. I think it's gonna make another run. That's crazy. That dude went viral catching an alligator. All right, there we go, Chamber. ALZN, I think ALZN is gonna kill it once they get this Alzheimer approval, which it's basically gonna happen. I feel like it's gonna happen. I got a bunch of call options on it that expire in hell. When did I grab them again? I forgot. I got plenty of time on them. It was fucking 50 days. I got 50 days, all right? The market will digest it in 50 days, and this bitch will blow by $5. Trust. Not a recommendation. I ain't trying to tell nobody to go chase after ALZN. I'm in it because, you know, I like what I read. Alzheimer drug, man. But it's 7:54, ladies and gentlemen, and I need to cut this stream down. I want to thank everybody for coming in here, and don't forget to make sure you're subscribed. That bell is lit, and you ring the bell so that way you don't miss out on the next live stream. I do this every day, twice a day. I'll be back for the Power Hour. I want to thank everybody for coming in, and anybody else who stayed here through the rest of the video. I'll catch you guys at Power Hour.